Good morning, children, and how are you all? I hope you are all very well and safe in your houses. So, children, shall we start our EVS2 class? Okay, you remember what we were doing? We were doing lesson number 7, that is Plateaus and Highlands of India. Okay, and children, what did we do in our last class? Let's do a recap. Okay, so children, we were doing in our last class number 1 the features of the Deccan Plateau and number 2 the climate of the Peninsular Plateau. So let's see what are the features of the Deccan Plateau which we did. The Deccan Plateau, it stretches from the Satpura range to the southern tip of India. That was the first feature. Then the second feature was black soil is found in this region. Then the third feature was Godavari, Kaveri and Narmada flows through this plateau. The fourth feature was, since a part of the plateau slopes towards the east, so Godavari and Kaveri, they flows and meets the Bay of Bengal, and also part of the plateau it slopes towards the west, so Narmada river flows towards the Arabian Sea and it meets the Arabian Sea. And also there are many uneven, because of the, since the plateau has uneven land, okay, so there are many waterfalls. Then we come to the climate of the Peninsular Plateau. What is the climate of the Peninsular Plateau? Second, we studied in the last class that since the Peninsular Plateau is spread over a very vast region, so the climate also varies from region to region. In the north, the climate is semi-dry, and then in the south, as one moves south, the climate becomes warm or hot. And also the region experiences rainfall from the months of June to October. So this we all did in our last class. Now children, what we'll study today? Today we'll study about the effect of this climate of the Peninsular Plateau, the climate of the Peninsular Plateau on the plants, animals and people. Okay, so what is the effect? First we'll study about plants. Plants has, the trees has broad leaves. Okay, just a second. The trees have broad leaves, and what are the trees? Those trees are sandalwood and mohua. Okay, you can find them in the forest, and these trees have hardwood. Okay, the branches and the bark, they are very hard and they have broad leaves. Then there are numerous rivers also in this region. Okay, in this region you will find numerous rivers also, black and red soil also, which is very good for cultivation, for the growth of trees, and for which many forests grow in the Peninsular Plateau, such as the forests in the eastern and western Ghats. So because this region is rich in black and red soil and many rivers are there, so many forests are also there, children, and these forests you can find in the western and eastern Ghats of India. Now after the effect on plants, let's see the effect on animals and people. Okay, what are the effects on animals and people? Animals, it's given here. Different animals live in different parts of the Peninsular Plateau. So children, different animals live in different parts of the Peninsular Plateau. Example, black bears, tigers, leopards, elephants, monkeys, etc. So children, they are different animals, okay, you will find in the Peninsular Plateau. Then people, how does the climate affect the people? A lot of people are engaged in farming because of the fertile soil. Since the soil is very fertile, that's why children, a lot of people, they are engaged in farming. Okay, they are engaged in farming since a lot of people are, since the soil is very fertile. And what are the main crops which grow? The main crops which you can find is cotton, sugar cane, tea, coffee, tobacco are the main crops grown here. So people, they do farming also. And one more thing children, this region is rich in minerals. So children, this is a new word. This region is very much rich in minerals such as iron and aluminium, and hence there are a lot of factories and industries, especially in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. So the Chotanagpur Plateau, I have explained in the last class where is the Chotanagpur Plateau, and so the Chotanagpur Plateau is in the Peninsular Plateau, in the Deccan Plateau itself, okay, not in the Central Highlands. And the Chotanagpur Plateau is very much rich in minerals. And what are those minerals? They are iron and aluminum. They are found in the inside the earth, and because of that there are a lot of factories and industries in this region. Now let's move to our next. So what are the new words? It is numerous and minerals. Okay, and children, you will write these new words in your EVS2 copy and also the meaning. Numerous and minerals. Okay. Okay, so now we come to the most important part, that is the thinking question. So what is this thinking question, children? It is, Ravi went to a village in Tamil Nadu. There he saw trees with broad leaves and hard wood. Can you give any two examples of these type of trees? So it is for 2 marks. You will have to give examples of any two types of these type of trees. Okay, he went to a village in Tamil Nadu. There he saw trees with broad leaves and hard wood. You will have to give 2 examples of these type of trees. Think and give. Then we come to question number 2. Ravi, while traveling from Chennai to the village, saw a lot of factories and industries. So in the first question, Ravi went to the village. So while he was traveling to the village, he saw lots of factories and industries on the way. He asked his father the reason why there were so many factories and industries. His father told him that the reason behind this was that dash. You will have to fill it up. Okay, what is the reason his father gave? So can we complete the sentence and help Ravi know the reason? This is also for 2 marks. You will write this on your own. And your homework question is, children, this one. What is the main occupation of the people of the Peninsular Plateau and why? Okay, so this is your homework question. All this I'll upload in the Google Classroom, and you all children, you will write the answers, okay, and you will, children, you will submit in the Google Classroom. Okay, so children, we shall stop till here. I think we have come to the end of the lesson. In the next class, we will do a recap of the important topics of this lesson. So children, till then, have a good day and take care and bye-bye.